Welcome back. In today's training video, we will see from where we can add questions into exam base as well as how many types of questions we can introduce into exam base account. So for that, follow the field name written questions. Click on question drop down. First field available is add question. Click on that. To add any question, four fields are mandatory: standard, subject, difficulty level, and language. The question which is you want to add into subject. So the subject which belongs to the standard, so that standard we have to select first. So select the standard. Based on the standard selected, it will show you all the subject list which is created from the Proctor account. So we have to select the subject from drop down as well. Select the respective subject. Select the difficulty level from drop down. Here there are few languages defined: English, Hindi, Kannada. So whatever may be the language source, you can select. There are few more fields available like correct marks you can define, negative marks you can define not attempted marks also. If you want to introduce the duration of that particular question to attempt, you can add the duration in minutes. There are few more fields like topic name if you have created that you can select from drop down. Few more options like source, category, class. So if these fields are created, you can select from drop down. Same for name passage also. So whatever may be the question you have, you can introduce in question field. Along with the question, you can introduce the images also. If the images is available, you can upload the images into with respective of that question. If you want to use the speech to text option, you can use this feature. You just need to enable your mic. You can speech the text whatever you want and you can click on create. So the question will get saved. There is one more field available, the translator. So if you want to translate the question available, you can select the respective option and you can click on done. So the question will get saved successfully. Along with question, if there is an audio or video file, you can use the add media field to insert the audio or video, to upload that audio video with question. In answer details, you have to select the question type. These are all 6 types of questions you can add into examples. Single choice, it means out of 4 options, one is your correct answer. Multiple choice, it means out of 4 options, more than one is your correct answer. Subjective types may be the questions which you want the descriptive types of answers from the student. So in that case, you can add all those questions in subjective type. There are more options like you can introduce true and false type of questions. Match the following, it means left hand side is given along with the right hand side. So any one pair of left hand side is from right hand side. That types of question you can add in match the following. Match matrixing, it means more than one pair of right hand side is correct. So in that case, you can go with match matrix. So for single choice, if you select the type as single choice, 4 options will be available. Dependent upon the type selected. For subjective, there are 2 types of evaluation method. One is auto evaluate, another is manual evaluation. So dependent upon the evaluation, you can provide the answer type. If you want to provide the answers in integer, decimal or text, so whatever may be the type you can select. Also you can apply the character limit or word limit from here. If there is a file which you want from student side, that student can be able to upload the scanned document, so that provision is available if the student is attempting test from web portal, so you can allow them to upload the file as well. So dependent upon the question type selected, you can add your respective questions. For match matrix, this type of pattern will be available, and more than one pair selection is available over here. So dependent upon the selected question type, you can add your answers. You can select the correct option, and if there is a feedback, the solution related to the question, if you have, you can add that solution in feedback field. In options and feedback also, if you want to add images, you can add images also and save that created question. So this is the process to add questions into Examdex, and certain features available like speech to text, translator, audio video file if you have, you can introduce along with the question. If there are images, you can upload the images also. And what types of questions that we have seen. So this is the process to add questions into Examdex. Thank you.